Inspection summary video, fire escape engineers. This is I'm in Houston, Texas. I'm going to do 2 videos and then join them together regarding this fire escape. And what we have is a fire escape that starts over here, 2 floors here, 3 floors, and then goes into that catwalk right over there. That is not kind of continuous to the next fire escape into the ground. So let's start off over here. What we have here is definitely a fire escape that hasn't seen paint for quite some time. Besides that, we have all original hardware, as it is pointed out here, and we have rivets where the railings are. My biggest problem here in this fire escape is basically the treads. If I was to use a 5-pound hammer test, these treads will collapse. And so here, more evidence of original hardware here on this plate. Now this, we have rust built up here, and so is here. But what they did in this fire escape is, it looks like it was a long time ago, they actually welded a plate on top of the tread because the tread was about to fall, and that kind of was a remedy, temporary fix that they did. So let me actually show you the severe problems that we found here on the treads. And hopefully this sounds okay because there's a lot of ACs going on, so this might not sound very well. So let me actually show you. So here it is. This is almost an inch worth of rust built up here. And so like I said, what they did at one point, they welded this plate here along with that to attach this fire escape. But we got problems on these treads throughout the fire escape. Look at here, more evidence. Look at this, all eaten away. Okay, more there. So this fire escape, it's almost condemned. This treads will have to be replaced. There's a lot of work in this fire escape, and then that I won't be surprised if I have to condemn the fire escape due to the amount of work. Now let me just show you a bad clip. Now this is a staircase, that's a landing, and this will connect to staircase with its landing. It's connected by this plate here. Original hardware, but look at the gap that it has built here with rust. It's all rust that has been growing throughout the years. Now this didn't happen overnight. This happened for many years of neglecting. So as I go down, I'm going to show you that here. Look at that. It has eaten away. So this channel will have to be somehow replaced because it has eaten through all this here. Now look at this. Look at all that. Now I did notice that it is a through bolted, and to know that, I'm going to show you the bolt here, the nut. So that is a through bolt, and then a live screw on the bottom. Again, no paint whatsoever. Look how much build up right there. That's all rust build up. Now surface, it has a lot of surface rust, but what I'm more concerned with is actually the connection rust, like I just pointed out on the clips. All right, so this is video number 1, and then I'll do video number 2, starting with the catwalk. But I do want to mention something here that I know what this is, but I don't know why this is here. Someone must have done some sort of a fix in the past, and maybe to hide the rust building up throughout here, because I've never seen using this kind of foam on fire escapes. So there you have this 1, 2, so 3 platforms. First video, and then I'll do video number 2 on the other fire escape. Okay, so here we are at the second phase of this fire escape. The same problems as above. These clips have so much rust built in here that it's about to go. Actually, as a matter of fact, it's not even connecting, and I'm going to point something out downstairs in a second. But I did notice here that these supports here, you can see it here, it's all eaten away. There's a support down here that is not even connected anymore. And that brings me to my next point. If I step down to this platform before the cantilever, the whole thing is shaking. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can see it. And basically, shaking here and shaking there. And there is a support here that is not doing anything anymore. It's not. So I don't even know how is this even supported itself. I think it's only by this here. And I am going to definitely consider this fire escape in a state of emergency. Do not step on this fire escape for any reason, because this can actually come down. And the second thing, obviously, is when I check this cantilever, I went all the way to the last step, and that does not want to come down. It's frozen in action. It could be a combination between those cables, or actually this is here, it's frozen into place. This cantilever does not function. I'm going to consider this fire escape in a state of emergency due to all these problems that I found, plus all these landings that are not supporting anymore, and all the rust building on a connection that it's a major structural point on these staircases with the landing. Fire escape engineers, and again, this is the other area that I wanted to point out in terms of missing hot walk. The customer said that this was okay by them, by the fire department. That's to be the question, but I'm gonna consider this fire escape to be an emergency due to all this problem that I found, and we'll notify the customer right away. Please do not step on this fire escape. This is Fire Escape Engineers Inspection Summary Video. I'm Inspector CJ Moses. If you have any questions, call 1-800-649-3333, 1-800-649-3333.